In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and style your email in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the design tools, how to customize your layout, and how to make your buttons link to the right place, all without getting lost in the editor. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard and click Campaigns. This opens the list of your emails so you can work on an existing draft or a scheduled send. Pick the campaign you want and click Edit to open it. This takes you into the campaign builder where you can fine-tune content and layout. Next, choose Edit Design. This is your main editing workspace, and it's where you'll see your email structure on the left and the settings on the right. To set the overall look, click Styles. Think of Styles as your global control room. Here you can define fonts for headings and body text, adjust sizes and line spacing for readability, and choose colors for your background, text, and links. Keep your brand colors consistent, make sure contrast is strong enough for accessibility, and use clean, legible fonts so your message is easy to scan on both desktop and mobile. With your global styles in place, edit the text, background, or button within the email itself. Click into any text block to update your copy and use the sidebar to tweak colors and alignment. For backgrounds, you can adjust the page or section color to help key areas stand out. For buttons, match your primary brand color, set a readable size, and add enough padding so the button feels clickable. If you need more content, click Add. This opens the content blocks you can use to build out your message. You can then drag and drop fields onto your email to create the structure you want. Arrange text, images, buttons, or dividers to guide readers down the page. Keep a simple hierarchy. Headline, brief body text, then a clear call to action, so your email feels focused and scannable. When you're ready to wire up your call to action, click your button. Then click Add Link. Paste the URL you want people to visit. Make sure it's the full address and double check spelling so clicks go exactly where you expect. Clear, action-oriented button text paired with a trustworthy link does the heavy lifting here. Click Save to lock in those changes. When you're satisfied with the overall design, click Save and Exit to return to your campaign overview. That's it. Your email now looks consistent, on brand, and ready to engage your audience.